I'm Rachel Nagle with Adventurous Heart, and today I found myself in Arkansas. Arkansas has some pretty sweet single track trails, so today I'm near Hot Springs, so I'm checking out the new Northwoods Trails. They opened in the fall of 2018, so I went to the trailhead. I'm checking out the east side trails, which take me around Dillon Lake. So started out the Pump House Trail, and then working my way over to the more intermediate Cat's Meow around Dillon Lake, and then now I'm at the Freeman Trail. And the Freeman Trail connects you to Sanderson Lake as well as Dillon Lake. So beautiful Sanderson Lake, nice little walk in between them, a little dam. Sanderson Lake all the way over, fun little man-made dam. You can check that out. Don't fall. Just had to slam on my brakes for this little dude. Hi, buddy. Move you off the trail. Put my bike down. Hi, buddy. You're a little scared. It's okay. I'll move you off the trail so nobody hits you. It's okay. Here, buddy. It looks like he's going this direction. That's the way he's facing, so we'll help him get there. Definitely don't want to put him the other direction. I'll just cross again. All right. We shall continue. The trails here are solid and flowy, almost like a pump track. Little up, little down. So the key is you want to make sure you keep your arms nice and wide on the handlebars, almost like you're doing a push-up. Not an air push-up, they don't go very well. Nice wide stance, and then as you go up and down the undulations or the pump-like rollers, you want to let your arms at your elbows absorb all of the up and down to make it an easier ride for you. I did about 5 miles on the east side over in this direction. Now I'm going to switch and check out the west side over by Bethel Lake. There's a nice bike wash station as well as a workstation. Had to use the multi-tool to change my seat real quick before I got on, so nice convenience at the start of the trailhead. Let's go check out the west side. The west side kicks off with a nice view of the trail traveling right along the lake and a steep climb up. I won't lie, it was rocky. I had to walk a little bit of it, but the rockiness brings you to this nice rock outcropping. Here, check out Bethel Lake. Quick break and back at it. There are lots of trail signs pointing you in the correct direction to go, but there's no maps. I assume there used to be some here, but definitely carry it with you because otherwise you won't know exactly where you're at. You'll know which way to go for easy, intermediate, and difficult, and you'll know not to enter because it's one way. However, you're not going to know what F means unless you carry your map. We're going to continue on the newly opened intermediate trail through the bridge and over we go. Beautiful clear water. I finally got to H, which is the top of the elevation, so 2 downhill ones. I think I'm going to go down this intermediate one, Blue Jay. I'll go over it nice and rolly. I won't be doing the jumps that are on it, but I'll roll over it. So special thanks to IMBA for creating these trails so that we can go out and enjoy them. I will say the climb up made me a little tired. My legs are feeling it. Shouldn't have done the other side before I came over here, but super fun, super awesome. Here we go. Blue Jay has some nice tabletops so you can see up and over, and then a nice berm turn. Might be a little nervous about going over them, but thanks to Ray's Indoor Mountain Bike Park in Cleveland, I feel ready. So here we go. Blue Jay was so much fun, I had to do it again. Super sweet down. If you come, definitely try it. Unfortunately, I'm by myself, so you don't get to see all of the cool moves on Blue Jay. But some pretty cool scenery on back to the trailhead on the green trail. This is where I stopped earlier, but absolutely gorgeous views, rock outcroppings, Bethel Lake. If you do find yourself in Hot Springs, definitely check out Northwoods. Spa City Bike Shop is a great place. It's where I was able to rent this bike from, a nice full suspension bike. And when I got it, it was about $65 a day. So pretty reasonable if you're gonna be out here all day checking out the trail. So come enjoy it. Check out Northwoods, you won't regret it. I'm Rachel Nagle with Adventurous Heart. And go find your next adventure. I found mine here in Arkansas for this trip.